Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you think your laptop is acting slow, a reset might fix that. So in this video, I am going to show you how to reset your Windows 11 in laptop, and that can fix all the laggings and slowing reasons. So let's get started. First of all, you have to click on this Windows menu for the start menu or start panel, and then click here settings. After coming on the settings, you can see there is option set system. Click on system and then search for here recovery or recovery options. Click on this. You can see there is option reset this PC. After this, you can select here get started and click this one, keep my files. Don't click on there, remove anything, it will delete all your information. So click this one, keep my file, and then it will take some time and your laptop will be restarted again. So that's it. This is how you can reset your laptop on Windows 10 or 11. If you think this video was helpful for you, please like the video, subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.